Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will continue our discussion on Docker and we will see some hands-on experience where we will try to execute some basic Docker image commands. Okay, so before moving to terminal, first let's see how you can install Docker in your system, right? So you have to go to this website, docker.com. Just go one step back. Once you click on docker.com, you will get these options. Here you have to click on get started. Once you click on that, you will get these options. You want to download it for Mac or for Windows or for Linux. So suppose you want it for Windows, just click here. Your download process started. Okay. Once this process done, you can see something like this on your system. Okay, and so that means you have installed Docker on your system. You can also try to see uh, you can also execute this command docker version. It will show you the your Docker version which you have been installed. Okay, so now let's try some Docker commands. Okay, so let's try to execute some Docker command. Okay, so before moving to the command part, let's first get some Docker image from Docker Hub registry. So let's try with Alpine Docker. Okay, let's go to hub.docker.com. So here you can see this is the open source Docker image, and it's a minimal Docker image based on Alpine Linux. You can also see the description over here. It says it's a Linux distribution built around these libraries. The image is only 5 MB in size, and it provide you all the utilities and even production based application inside this 5 MB package. Okay, so if you are using it for learning purpose, or you are uh, using it for your understanding, then you can start with Alpine Linux. It will provide you a kind of OS kind of environment which is based on Linux, and provide you all the utilities which you will be required. Okay, so to download it, you just require this command docker pull Alpine. So just copy it and paste it on your terminal or your command prompt. Okay, so let's do it. Uh, so it will start pulling this image from Docker Hub. As you can see, it's downloaded very fast. Okay, so now this image is present on your local system, right? So just try to check this image. So command would be docker image list. It will show you all the images present on your local system. So these are the images which I have downloaded before. So you can see this one, uh, Alpine. It's also showing over here, right? Alpine, and these are the image which I am using right now. So we'll see these later. So let's only deal with Alpine right now. So suppose you have downloaded it and you want to delete that image. So you have to do docker image rm Alpine. So this way it will delete those images. So once you do again docker image list, you won't be able to see Alpine over here, right? So far we have seen docker pull Alpine command. Okay, uh, so this will download your image. right? Then you can do docker image list. Okay, it will print your all uh, images present on your local system, and docker image rm pine, which will delete your image from local system. So in this tutorial we have learned 3 docker image commands, and we will see another command on next videos. Thank you.